Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Firebase CLI for mobile app deployment, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Firebase CLI for mobile app deployment, open your command line interface. For Windows users, search for command prompt in the start menu. For macOS users, open terminal from your applications folder. If you haven't installed Node.js, you need to do that first. Visit the Node.js website and download the latest LTS version. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Once Node.js is installed, verify the installation by typing node-v in your command line. This command will display the Node.js version if it installed correctly. Next, to install Firebase CLI, execute the command npm install g Firebase tools. The G flag indicates that you want to install the tools globally. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, you can verify the Firebase CLI installation by typing Firebase v. This will display the version number of the Firebase CLI. Now that you have Firebase CLI installed, you can log into your Firebase account. Type Firebase login in your command line. This command will open your default web browser to authenticate your account. Follow the prompts to sign in with your Google account. After logging in, return to your command line interface. With Firebase CLI now set up, you can initialize your project. Navigate to your project directory using the cd command. Once in your project folder, type Firebase in it and follow the prompts to set up your Firebase project. Select the Firebase features you want to use for your mobile app. Once you've completed the setup, you can start deploying your app. To deploy, type Firebase deploy in your command line. This command will upload your app to Firebase hosting. After deployment is complete, you will receive a URL for your app. You have successfully installed Firebase CLI and deployed your mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.